Today I am just going to play around with a color combination that I love. This is a mixed purple, and then I'm going to use the Mixed Media Girl Amethyst purple. I'm going to use a metallic sapphire blue, a metallic copper, 24 karat gold, and also this metallic mixed berry by Mixed Media Girl. So these are the colors I'm going to use. Oh, and metallic white, which I don't have a lot left of. So we'll see how that goes. Better get these lids ready here to come off. All right. So I'm going to cover the canvas partially, not fully. colors are truly spectacular. And look at this activity. And up here, this is the metallic paint at work. This copper, quite lovely. I really do like this combination, and I love how this looks. So I am going to leave it alone, and I hope you enjoyed watching. I didn't have to blow it out as much as I thought, because I was actually going to, but when I saw this happening, I didn't want to blow over it. I already blew over down here when I had some really nice cells, but I had to get it in the direction I wanted. So anyway, looks like a little lake in there. Yeah, cosmic lake. All right, hope you enjoyed watching. Bye for now.